Welcome back, Better Health community. Are you ignoring the warning signs your body is sending you? It's time to pay attention. In this video, we'll explore the common warning signs that your body may be sending you, signaling that it's time for a health checkup. From subtle changes in your physical appearance to persistent symptoms that won't go away. Learn how to tune in to your body's whispers before they become screams. Don't wait until it's too late. Take control of your health today. Before we check into the details, don't forget to join the Better Health community. Zoom out, click the like button and subscribe for more amazing health, wellness and fitness content delivered to your phone each week. Your body is constantly communicating with you, sending signals that something might be off. Ignoring these warning signs can lead to serious health issues down the line. Being aware of these signals and taking action can make all the difference in preventing potential health problems. So, let's explore the common symptoms that people often overlook. Changes in weight, for instance, can be a significant indicator of an underlying issue. Have you noticed that your clothes are fitting tighter or looser than usual? This could be due to a variety of factors, including changes in metabolism, hormonal imbalances, or even certain medications. Unusual aches and pains are another warning sign that people often brush off as minor. Persistent fatigue is another common symptom that can be easily dismissed as burnout or exhaustion, but it could be a sign of something more serious. Unexplained changes in appetite or digestive issues can also be red flags. Maybe you've noticed that you're experiencing bloating, constipation, or diarrhea more frequently. These symptoms can be indicative of a larger issue, such as a food intolerance or a gastrointestinal disorder. Similarly, changes in skin, hair, or nail health can be a sign of an underlying nutritional deficiency or hormonal imbalance. Heart palpitations, for example, can be a sign of cardiac issues, while chronic headaches might suggest stress, migraines, or other conditions. Shortness of breath or wheezing can indicate respiratory problems, such as asthma or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. Similarly, changes in menstrual cycles or libido can be a sign of hormonal imbalances or reproductive issues. Some of the key warning signs to look out for include changes in weight, unusual aches, persistent fatigue, and changes in appetite or digestive issues. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, don't ignore them. Taking action when these signs appear can lead to better health outcomes. Consult with a healthcare professional for the best treatment and diagnoses. If you've experienced any of these warning signs or have a story to share, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out our other videos on health and wellness for more information on how to take care of your body and stay healthy.